Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger, servant and Prophet Muhammad, and upon his family members and companions and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, let's purify, let's prepare our heart to invite Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala into our mind and heart. My dear brothers and sisters, when we want to invite someone who is very important, special, into our house, then what should we do? What we will do? At first, we will clean our house and decorate our house, and we will prepare best quality of food, because we are going to invite someone who is very special and who is very important. What about who is only one, almighty, merciful, sustainer, and who is only one, secret cause of bringing our life into reality? If we want to invite him into our life, into our heart, what should we do? We have to prepare our heart, because heart is such a place we can invite him into this place. If it becomes dirty, how can we invite someone who is ocean of purity into dirty place? It is impossible to invite into dirty place. So, first of all, our duty is to prepare our heart. Heart is haram of God, haram of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every king has haram, treasure, and heart is haram of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah can present in our heart. So, we should prepare it on proper way. But how we can be able to prepare our heart, how we will be able to purify our heart, it is the bottom line we should understand. And there is profound hadith. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam saying, "Ala inna fil jasadi mudghatan in saluhat saluhal jasadu kullu wa in fasadat fasadal jasadu kullu ala wa hiya al-qalb." There is a piece of flesh in the body. If it becomes good, the whole body becomes good. If it gets spoiled, the whole body gets spoiled. And that is the heart. So heart is very important to purify it. And our first duty is to know how to purify our heart. To do that, we need to learn what is the nature of our heart. Let's return to the Holy Quran. Quran explains the nature of human hearts. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها. Heart, it is inspired with its sin and with its piety. So heart is such a divine machine. It is busy to create thought constantly and continuously. All the time it is busy to produce, to provide, to create thought. But most of the time, our heart creates negative thought, wrong thought, and bad thought. That's why our hearts become dirty. It gets spoiled. So our duty is to purify it. Heart is like a water. Water itself, it is pure, but how it becomes dirty? When any outer particles, any outer dirty particles mixes with water at that time water becomes dirty. As well as our heart. Heart is itself, it is pure. But when it is inspired with any wrong thought, or when it creates any negative thought, at that time our heart becomes dirty. So there is only one way to purify our heart, to clean our heart, and that is to be conscious of creating thought. Yes, to be conscious of creating thought. When we will become able to conscious of creating thought, that means we are going to put very strong filter upon our heart. By this way, we can stop to produce any negative thought, to create any negative thought. By this way, we can purify it. So, we should take control over our heart when it creates thought. And that is the only one way to do that, to be conscious of creating thought. When we become able to purify our heart, to clean our heart, then we can invite someone who is ocean of purity, only one Almighty and merciful and our sustainer, and who has brought us into life. So we can able to invite him into our heart. So for every Muslim, first duty is to prepare heart, to purify heart, to invite Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala into our heart. Thank you very much.